viewers, welcome to my channel. I would like to wish you a very happy new year 2023, and as promised that there is another unboxing video for you which was in the pipeline. I'm making it right now because I was so busy, guys. Seriously, I just sometimes don't have the time in the world to do anything. So here I am. This is the one which I'm gonna be unboxing, and this pouch is from Estée Lauder, which I got. I don't know from where I got this, but anyways, who cares. I haven't used it. I haven't even, like, you can see the tag is on and everything, so it is exactly the way I got it. I just put it on the side and I just forgot about it. So today I'm opening it in front of you, so let's see what's inside. So first of all, I just want to show you that this is really pretty. It's like a jungle print, very vibrant, very colorful, and it's a satin finish with a nice kind of a key ring kind of thing, gold color. And I just want to say that it's so beautiful, so nice. If you take it anywhere with you, you can just throw it in your tote bag, and this can be a really nice, beautiful addition to your makeup bag. Obviously it will get stained, so try not to put anything which is like, you know, like a foundation or like eye pencil or something like that, which can stain it. But I think I'm gonna be using them. I think I'm gonna be using this for my skincare products. Like if I'm traveling, then I can just put my little creams and things so it doesn't get stained. So without further ado, let's open this. So obviously, like, tissue papers with Estée Lauder logo on it. So, and then there is a little leaflet. Okay, so they are actually explaining what's inside the pouch. So basically you will get a perfectly clean purifying mask, which is a multi-action foam cleanser purifying mask. So let's take that out first, which is this one. This is really good. This is 150 ml, guys. This is really good size, and you know, it explains, it's self-explanatory that it's a foam cleanser to take off all your makeup, and it also purifies your skin, suitable for all skin types. So it's good for everyone. So it means it's quite mild, which can suit all types of skin. So very nice, loving it. So next one is Advanced Night Repair, and this is Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. So I'm guessing it's a serum. So this one is a Advanced Night Repair, and this is 15 ml, and this is basically a serum kind of liquid which you can use at night on your skin, and it will repair your skin. So let me just open it and show you. It's colorless and it's like very liquidy, watery. So yeah, you apply it on your face and wake up all beautiful. Next one is a multi-action day wear moisture cream, SPF 15. So that would be this one. Oh my god, look at this jar. It's really beautiful, really cute. And this is also 15 ml, and it's a day wear multi protection antioxidant 24-hour moisture cream, and it's SPF 15. So it will save you from the harmful rays of the sun, and also at the same time will be moisturizing your skin. Oh, look at this. This smells so fresh. It's like aloe vera in a jar, and cucumber. I think it's aloe vera and cucumber. So that's really nice, and it's like really handy. You don't want to be carrying really heavy stuff when you're traveling, so this is really cute. Next one is Advanced Night Repair in Intense Reset Concentrate. So Intense Reset Concentrate is this one, and this is another little cute one, and this is 5 ml. So this is smaller than the other one, and this is like this. It has a little spatula, and this is cream color. So I guess this is more concentrated and this is more intense, like if you want something like a quick fix, as compared to this one, which might take few days to work. It might, like this might work overnight or something. I haven't tried them yet, that's why I'm guessing, but hopefully, that's why it's saying it's an intense reset, so like it will just reset everything. Oh, very exciting. And then okay, so it's Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharge Complex. So let's see what they've got for eye. Oh my god, look at this, guys. This is really cute, and this is for your eyes. So this will obviously take away the bags, you know, all the bad stuff, and like make them look really happy and fresh. So this will supercharge them. So basically, oh, look at the gel. Look, this is a gel-like consistency. Like you can see under white that is like really like peachy color, but it's a transparent color. So I shall try this for sure because I like cooling things under my eyes. So next one is Double Wear Zero Smudge Lengthening Mascara. So this is the very last thing, which is Double Wear Mascara Zero Smudge Lengthening. So I haven't tried it. Today I'm wearing a different mascara, which I'll come back to you and give you a review. But look at this. Sounds really promising. So if you need a review of this and like wanna see, this is 01 in black. So this is black color. You want to see how it looks on me, drop your comments. If you want me to get back to you with all these products, how they worked on my skin, like a comeback about like how they worked on me, drop a comment. And if there's any other types of videos you want me to show you or make for you, then please do drop a comment. I read all your comments, so it will be great if you just let me know exactly what you're after and I will make it for you. Okay, so this was a very nice short and sweet video for you for the new year. So this is the first one, and I can promise there is lots more to come in the future. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you and have a good evening, good day. Bye bye.